Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Blender geometry or UV overlapping. First, open your project in the Blender and select the object that has the problem. Press tab on your keyboard to enter the edit mode. This lets you to edit the geometry from the object. Now, to fix overlapping geometry, press A to select all the vertex, then press M to choose the by distance. This will merge all the duplicate vertex that are sitting on top of each other. After that, look for the overlapping faces. Press 3 to switch face select mode. Rotate your model and check for the faces that are inside each other or in the wrong position. Delete all the extra or unwanted faces by selecting them and pressing X, then choosing faces. Now let's fix overlapping UVCs. With the object still selected, go to the UV editing workspace at the top of the Blender. In the edit mode, press A to select all the faces, then press U and choose one wrap. This create a new overlay project. In the UV editor, check if the UV islands are overlapping. If they are, press A to select all UVs, then press UV in the top menu to choose Pack Island. This will automatically arrange all the UVs so they don't overlap. Finally, go back to the layout workspace and check your model. Your geometry and UVs should now be clear and perfectly arranged. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.